Are you overwhelmed by conflicting nutrition advice? Tired of trying to separate health facts from fleeting fads? I'm Ty Beal, a nutrition scientist exploring what we eat and how it truly impacts our well-being. On the Ty Beal Show, we cut through the noise. Each week, I'll be talking with leading experts in nutrition, public health, and food systems, bringing you the latest science in simple, practical terms. We'll explore why there's no one perfect diet, how to nourish your body, and ways to help avoid chronic disease. Here's the truth. Nutrition shouldn't be confusing. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge that's actually useful, so you can feel your best without the hype. We focus on facts, not fear, understanding, not judgment, and a dose of common sense, and maybe even some humor along the way. If you're ready to take charge of your health with credible, science-backed insights, hit subscribe. Let's learn and grow together.